Hi, I'm Robert Tyrell with Your Marketing Dude, and we specialize in social media advertising. I need your attention for the next 5 minutes, which is less time than it takes to check out at Walmart. You know those advertisements that seem to follow you around wherever you go? Whether it's Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube? Yeah, that's us. Did you know that social media advertising is one of the largest growing platforms for advertisers? You may be wasting your time and money on live events, billboards, SEO, and Groupon for potential customers with no clue if it's the best investment for you. Think of social media advertising like a water faucet. We can turn it on, we can turn it off whenever we like. Video is booming. Globally, traffic from online videos will constitute over 80% of all consumer internet traffic by 2020. Facebook video posts have increased by 94% annually in the United States, with 100 million daily video views. Which brings me to my point. Video is the I'm going to share with you 9 very effective and useful tips to immediately improve your video marketing campaigns. Entertain. In order for a video to be successful, you must provide some sort of entertainment value. Show your personality, smile, and be jovial. Haha. Sharing information and expecting someone to be engaged when you sound like a robot is the least optimal way to engage customers. Showing your customers that you're human is important. The stigma of marketing is we're blood-sucking, soulless robots. Be happy, be friendly, and be human. Be you. Educate. Tell your customers why they need your services. Would you buy something that you know nothing about? Teach them why your services are important. The average person doesn't know why they need you. Focus on the pain points, the benefits, and the reasons they need your business. Make an offer. You want to tell your customers who you are, what you're offering, and why is it great. Simply and in plain words, tell them what they get and how to get it. Don't assume your customers completely understand the process and requirements. Video script. This will keep you organized and cut back on a lot of the and the ums in your videos. Write an offer, entertain, and educate your viewer. Reference your script off of a teleprompter, piece of paper, or memorize your lines. Include an intro, a middle, and an outro to keep a format. Camera. Your latest iPhone or Android device will work just fine. Make sure it's sideways, not up and down. Keep it steady with your hand when filming. Have them count down 3, 2, 1 when you're ready to start. Lighting. Ensure there's enough lighting in the room and nothing too bright shining into the camera. Sound. Speak nice and clearly, smile while you talk, and make sure your energy is in your voice. Avoid people talking in the background, noisy things going on. It's distracting. Camera frame. Getting up close works best for capturing your facial expressions down to your mid-waist. Make sure to not be too far away, keeping the video intimate with your viewer up close. Background. Pick something pleasant in the background and surrounding areas, not just a plain flat wall. Show some depth in the shot with a hallway or different objects, maybe furniture, the waiting room, a doorway, etc. Think 3D, not just a wall. Follow these 9 quick tips to instantly improve your videos by about 1000%. Smile, have fun, show your humor, show your personality, and be human. and they will thank you very much, Mr. Roboto. If you found these tips helpful, stay tuned for more videos of useful tricks and tips on how to use social media advertising. If you have any questions, please feel free to send us a private message on Facebook or give me a call at 717-PICK-YND, or we'll deliver 1,000,000 garden gnomes to your front yard. I'm Robert Tyrell with Your Marketing Dude, and thanks for watching.